Look at Summer's new Christmas toy. If Daddy can put her in. Oh, Daddy, oh, Daddy, oh. What do you think, Summer? What do you think? What do you think? She's gonna beat it. If I beat it, it'll work.
Be a piano player.
Boom, boom. Yes.
Can't quite touch it.
Alyssa, I'm trying to videotape her.
Next page.
Oh, we're gonna really? She can't touch the ground yet.
Yeah, probably not. She can touch, but maybe not.
Oh, you want to play that?
Okay, girls, let's let Summer play with it. Summer, Summer, do you like it, Summer? Summer, Summer, do you like it? She's no time to look up here. No, Kayla, please don't.